How to schedule Pinterest posts. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. What if you're trying to schedule your Pinterest post? The most important thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to have a business account. So if you have a personal account and you're trying to schedule a post, then that definitely won't work. So the first thing you need to do is convert your account to business. Now once you have a business account, tap on this plus icon to add your post or pin. Now select the post and tap on next. Do all the editing that you want, tap on next. And once you're on final touches page right here, you'll be able to see schedule publishing date. Tap on it. Now tap on this pencil icon next to date. Now set the date. Again, tap on this pencil icon next to time. Set the time and tap on done. Now finally tap on schedule at the bottom right corner. Tap on schedule once again and your post will be then scheduled. So that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.